Alright guys, today is August 23rd, 2019. We're gonna go on our long-awaited motorcycle ride up the coast. We're gonna pass Pismo Beach, Santa Barbara, Monterey, all the way up to Santa Cruz. And the bikes we're taking is Eric's Yamaha Super Tenere, my Africa Twin, Justin's Africa Twin, and my brother's Honda CB 500X. And we're all packed, ready to go. So we just landed here after a long ride through 2 hours of traffic, bumper to bumper, and past Santa Barbara. Now we're at Pismo,
San Luis Obispo.
San Luis Obispo, and tomorrow we're going to hit the Big Sur.
Hit the Big Sur.
Yeah, tomorrow Big Sur, and that footage will be a lot better. So this part of the Big Sur Highway was closed due to that whole side of the mountain came down, landslided onto the road and closed off the whole road. How is it, Delane?
A little bit on the back of it.
Scarier up front. Alright, let's get back on. There's a bike crash. So all four of us are trying really hard to keep a good distance between us because we are running street tires except for Eric in the front, and there's just no traction. Every time you get on the throttle, the back starts to fishtail, When we come in the corners, the front likes to skate around. So we're just trying to take it easy, not go out too crazy.
rock?
I don't know Fez. I don't be thinking. You look like a Fez. But I'm not Fez. Nobody can say Fez.
Well, they only called him Fez because he was on history. Where he was from. Fez is actually a country.
You can put your little thing and put it in a picture of all of us.
Huh?
Crazy.
Here, buy some other place.
Sequoia trees are a type of redwood tree.
Like this one, but
This
it's
is
enough.
sequoias grow in sequoia, so they call them sequoia trees, but they're little.
If you look in this water, hold still, you can see him swaying way up there.
Like this tree's moving a ton, dude. This one right here.
Oh yeah, it's moving feet.
Yeah. I was like, yeah.
The General Sherman.
He said that last time. It was good.
Never seen the General Shepherd tree.
The General Shepherd.
I don't know what the big deal is about this General Shepherd tree. It doesn't look anything like a dog.
Banana slugs.
Yeah, they have these weird slugs that go over these big yellow ones. We're in the wrong season.
Super fuzzy.
Them over. Fallen redwoods provide a fertile place for new trees to grow. Count how many trees you can see growing from the drowned redwood.
Oh, it's probably a ton
They
of
say
them.
if you put your hand in this, you get super.
Trees growing?
Yeah, you figure
from
as soon as
this
that
one?
thing hits the deck and starts to rot, and it just fills it.
Oh, you can see a little bit of it.
Where you want to go?
You want to go to the Squatch
Look, there's a trail right there.
Head back the way, same way.
There's some lady right there. Justin,
Huh?
there's a lady right there. There's a trail.
Yeah.
Super cool in here. I feel like I could spend like a whole day and just like exploring.
Yeah, I was hoping we'd have gotten here a little sooner, but
Redwood. Its many survival adaptations, including thick bark, long roots, and its extraordinary height. Tannic acid within redwood bark gives a rich cinnamon red color while providing defense against insects, fungus, and even fire. Almost indestructible, these huge trees persistently survive while bottling the natural elements.
it's a pretty tall tree, huh?
Yeah, they're really.
I don't know where we're at, but it's pretty cool. They might have this. They have this. No wonder. There you go. No wonder it looked funny. They got classic cars everywhere you can see.
You rarely see those. Oh shit! Look at the emblem.
That's cool, huh?
What's this thing?
I think my boss has one of these. Going in the gift shop, I guess. Monterey Canning Company. We got some Turkish candies. They're chewy as hell. They're supposed to be brownie something. Alright, it's 7:45 in the morning. Just about to leave the hotel. Gonna do about 5 hours on the motorcycles. It's gonna be a long ride home. Bumper to bumper traffic. Try to get out of here. Our bikes are super filthy from the dirt trail that we did near Big Sur. Quite a bumpy, dusty, dirty road, but it was fun, well worth it. Right at the end, you can see the Bixby Bridge from there. It's cool. So that pretty much sums up our trip. We did 840 miles total, all kinds of terrain with no problems.